In this video, I'm going to show you how to place trades on Quantower. Now to do this, there's two options. You could go and trade on your chart. So if I open up my chart over here, I can click on this button top right to open the quick trading toolbar. And then in here, you can of course pick your account over here. I'm just going to select this one. And then you can see here, you can select time in force, the quantity, and here you have like brackets mode if you want to as well. And then down here, you have the options to buy and sell either ask, bid, or market, okay? So if I go ahead and, for example, click on buy market over here, there we go. As you can see, I can click on yes, and there we go. It's been basically filled. The order has been filled. So that's the first way to place trades. Of course, you can sell as well. It's going to work the exact same way, just like this, as you can see over here. The second way is going to be using order entry. So you can either press up top over here where it says order entry, or if you can't see this, you want to click on the Quantower logo top left, and from here you can see order entry. And for quick access, you could also go and basically click on this star button to actually star it and place it in here. So when you click on this, it's going to open up this order window where you can pick your symbol which you want to trade. You can select the account you want to trade with, and then here you have order types: market, limit, stop, and trailing stop. I'm going to go with market right now. And of course, if you select something like limit, you're going to have to select the price at which you want to buy or sell as well. And then here you can select your time in force and then decide either buy or sell, the quantity in lots. I'm going to do 5 right now. You can add a comment, and then down here you have brackets such as stop losses and take profits if you want to add those as well. Then you can go ahead and just select place order at the bottom and then click on yes. You could also choose to not show this again if it's bothering you, and there we go. As you can see, it's basically filling my trades, which means I'm placing trades on Quantower. So that's how easy that is. There's two ways to do this, and you can do it of course very simply that way. Now there's one more way really, which I don't really use, but still you can right click on your chart and you can go and click on sell limit or buy stop, and that's going to work as well. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.